A split screen contrasts two financial realities: meticulous tracking versus overwhelming debt. On one side, control. On the other, worry and frustration. Budgeting. Know where your money goes. The screen highlights the path to financial awareness. A savings jar gradually fills, symbolizing the security of emergency funds. In a financial advisor's office, an expert stands confidently before a whiteboard, a marker poised in hand. The whiteboard displays debt management strategies, illustrating the snowball and avalanche methods. A split screen contrasts the crushing weight of high-interest debt with the liberating power of strategic repayment plans. Debt management. Take control boldly appears on the screen. The scene shifts to a digital screen, showcasing a range of investment options, highlighting diversified portfolios. A montage begins, revealing individuals achieving their financial aspirations. Exotic travels unfold, scenes of luxurious vacations and serene retreats. Comfortable retirements are shown, highlighting ease and security. On-screen text appears, financial goals, dream big, plan smart. A person sits at a laptop, managing finances with confidence.